Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you all the copying and pasting features available on this laptop. So let's start with text, copying and pasting. So I created a new text document, and right here let's input some sample text. Let me maybe enlarge it a little. And to copy anything, you have to hold down the left key of your mouse and then drag it over the whole text, or maybe part of the text that you want to copy. And once you do it, you can either right click and select copy, or you can use a shortcut of CTRL or string C, and then move your cursor to any place on this file, and then either right click and click paste, or just use a Ctrl or string V shortcut. Now you can also use a cutting feature to do that. Select the part of the text that you want to cut out and replace, then select a new place for it. To cut out a text, you can either right click on it and select cut, and to paste it again you can use the same feature as before, either right click and paste or Ctrl V. And also the thing I wanted to show to you is the clipboard. If you use Windows+V on your PC and turn on the clipboard, you'll see all the latest clips that you made. So all the latest, all of the recent, in my example, texts that you copied, as you can see right here, and you can select any of them to paste. Yeah, and that's basically how it works. But besides text, we can also apply copying and pasting features to basically anything in this system. So let me quickly delete the text file, and let's move to the File Explorer. Now if we go to the Screenshots folder, we can, for example, select a screenshot or basically any file on our device and either copy it, cut it out, and then paste it using the same old method, the same old shortcuts. So to copy, Ctrl+C, to cut out, Ctrl+X, and to paste it in a different directory, you first start to open it, and then press Ctrl+V. And this way you move. We just moved this one file from this folder of screenshots to pictures folder. And that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.